I'm Foster Friess. I'm running to be your governor of the state of Wyoming. I've been asked questions about the State Land Investment Board and about NDOW. I'd like to kind of merge them together maybe. My wife was the first chairman of the board with Governor Geringer of the Wyoming Business Council. And over the years I watched, I didn't see a lot of real home runs. It seemed like the criteria was how many jobs it created and the wage rate. I believe we ought to have a different metric as to how much money we can generate in returns. And the NDOW possibility is more than I originally thought. I had a great talk with Greg Hill, the chairman, and he gave me some new insights that could make it different than just another iteration of the Wyoming Business Council. I've been quoted by the West Coast newspapers of saying that the internet has one of the ways of diversifying and creating jobs will do for Wyoming towns all across Wyoming what air conditioning did for the South. As far as healthcare is concerned, I've been working for years with the effort to try to block grant the Medicare and Medicaid funds to the states. And the last vote was very, very close, and now it's up and running again. There's a good possibility we could have the governor spending that money, which would be a huge improvement in reducing healthcare costs. Also, before I ran for governor, PatientsUSA.com was a project I undertook, which gets the patient a seat at the table with the drug insurance and hospital companies. Check that out, PatientsUSA.com. First step is to publishing prices. So for us to be able to get the prices down, we kind of have to have more availability to be able to know how we can compete. I was told to get a test that cost $73 at the hospital. I got it a mile away. And it was $13. So let's work on these programs together, and I believe Wyoming has a very bright future. We have to create jobs that the people can make a decent living on. There's plenty of jobs, but they're not the kind of jobs that people really want to put their muscle to. So we can do that, and we can diversify, but let's focus on the existing companies first and try to do as much privately as possible without government subsidies. I'm Foster Friess. Don't forget me, August 21st. I need you.